3 important ways to get a blog are action today. Discover the power of blogging in today's digital marketing world. Learn how to monetize your blog effectively. Understand key definitions. A blog is an online journal, and the blogger updates it frequently. Blogging has become a vital tool for marketers. Profit tactic number 1, write articles. Use your blog to publish articles and include a resource box with links to your products or services. Profit tactic number 2, write product reviews. Share personal opinions and include links for further product exploration, enhancing your credibility and earning potential. Profit tactic number 3, implement text ad programs like Google AdSense and Affiliate Power Ads, which can generate significant revenue per click. Both text ad programs are free to join and easy to set up, increasing the profitability of your blog with minimal hassle. For a practical example, visit my blog to see how these ads integrate seamlessly, enhancing the user experience and profitability. Consider starting a blog today to leverage these strategies and begin earning. Take action now to tap into the potential of blogging.